Okay, so the next item on the list is some front and rear mud flaps to fit. So Matt's picked up a set of MG logoed mud flaps from the MG Owners Club, and we'll have a go now at fitting those. First thing we want to do, I've jacked up Dotty, pop the wheel off just to give us a little bit more access. And we'll work out the location of where the mud flap's going to go. I've already marked the holes in the back of the mud flap as to where we need to be. And then with my automatic centre punch, mark a hole there in the bodywork, and we'll drill a clearance hole for the self-tapper to go in. And then we'll pop a little spot of primer in that, and then we're ready to fit the flap. Okay, so pop a little bit of primer on the paintwork there. So next thing then to do is to line up the holes that we've drilled and fit the mud flap itself. Having more than one charged battery at this point would also be a real advantage. So I'm now going to fit the mud flap to the holes that we've drilled. Okay, so the mud flap's on there now. We'll pop the wheel back on and we'll work our way around to the back of the car. Obviously, we need to repeat the same process on the other side. Okay, and then what we'll do, using the little black self-tappers provided, screw these into the spine nuts. So check that we're happy with the fittings of the front one there. Then we'll pop the second fixing in. Adjust that clearance hole a little bit. There we go. So mud flap's fitted on that side. I'm just going to have a look and check the position of it.